With an economy of $67 billion, which is expected to double by 2020, Sri Lanka is putting its war-ravaged image behind it and growing from strength to strength. Here to speak about how the banking sector is developing is Piyadasa Kudabalage, Gamini, Senarath and Vasantha, Kumar from the People's Bank. Well, Vasantha, if I might start with you, how developed is the banking industry in Sri Lanka and what challenges does it face?
If you look at the Sri Lanka GDP growth is well above the global and the regional average growth for the last 5 years. It indicates the banking sector's contribution towards the economy. Our country, the banking sector has grown faster than the economy growth. Ours is a transitional economy, debt capital based country, but our developed capital market does not develop. However, our treasury bonds and treasury bills market, so we have a very vibrant market there. Banking sector has played a vital role in developing the capital market. In the development context, banking sector has taken an active role there. In our country, we are seeing middle income economy, growing middle income economy. So aspirations are changing, and we are seeing a fastest aging population. So banking sector has to identify that and present innovations to meet the needs of the varied population.
Gamini, over to you now. And how is People's Bank positioned in Sri Lanka and how have you adapted to client needs?
It has been at the forefront of taking banking from the cities to the villages for more than 5 decades. And currently we have 13 million customer base. That is the largest in the country. Our customer retention rate is nearly 77%, which is very high. That itself shows that we are continuing to adapt customer needs over the period of time. We have the largest saving base in the country, and we have the largest branch network in the country. We are having more than 736 branches and over 420 ATM machines all over the island. We have one of the most expansive correspondent banking network all over the world, over 150 correspondent banks, serving more than 1 million Sri Lankans who are living abroad.
So Piyadasa, one of the services that People's Bank offers is development banking. What exactly is this and how does it aid the development of Sri Lanka?
Initially, we extend our services to the microfinance sector, which we have gone to the rural sector, and we make them part and parcel of the banking sector environment. We made them free accessibility to the bank. The second stage, we developed SME sector, where that mass population in the country is involved in medium level business enterprises. So here again, we thought that with this current scenario that country is developing rapidly, our growth rate is the highest in the region. Now we extend our financial facilities to the mega projects and the corporate sector.
Well, Vasantha, back to you now. And how do you see the banking industry growing in the country?
Over the past few years, various challenges emerged in the industry across the globe, but Sri Lanka remained resilient. It continued growth trajectory. Our regulators also vigilant, resulting continued growth and to wither any storms. Sri Lanka will be surpassing 7,500 per capita income by 2020. The bank is in the sector. They set up various targets, example, to bring down the poverty below 1% and the unemployment below 3%.
Finally, Piyadasa, what's next for the People's Bank?
Sri Lankan banking sector getting consolidated to absorb more shocks coming to be with the fast and the most fastest growing in the segment. We still believe that while we extend our services to the corporate sector, we can develop microfinance and SME sector. That will be ultimately the backbone of the economy. We have not forgot our original mandate where we have to make accessible to the banking sector to the ordinary nations of our country. So having that in mind, we extend our banking services to meet the needs of the day. We are developing our IT platform to be more efficient times to come. We develop our key players in the bank to be more efficient in the financial environment. We do our best for the country by taking the responsibility to be part and parcel of the development drive.
Gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.